Good morning, class 6 students. We are doing the revision of chapter 1. We have completed our syllabus, right? Chapter 1 and 2 is coming in first term, right? So, this is the revision you will be doing and writing in the copy as well as you will be learning also. So, let's see what we have to study today in revision. So, first question is which of the following protects our skin from harmful sun rays? You can see in the book the various options. I have written the correct one only, right? So, which of the following protect our skin from harmful sun rays? That is sunscreen. The second is, who developed the atomic theory of matter? Answer is John Dalton. Question number 3. Soaps are made of soaps are made up of? Answer is sodium and potassium salts. Fourth, which of the following is manufactured by heating a mixture of gypsum, limestone, and clay in a rotary skin? So that is plaster of Paris. Next, which of the following is used in soda lime glass? Answer is sodium carbonate and silica. Sodium carbonate and silica is used in making soda lime glass. Next is which one of these are the quality of silicons? So it has a high MP, BP resistance. So this is the MCQ. We have to select only one. So we will write all of these. Okay, student. Move to the next question. Which one of these are paints with a high gloss soil? Answer is enamel. 8. Who developed law of conservation of mass? Antony Lavoisier. We have already covered this chapter in 13 or 14 videos in our school YouTube, right? But then this is a revision, so once again I am doing for you, right? Which of the following is food preservation method involves soaking the food into salt? Answer is fermentation. I have a doubt. Okay, question number 9, student. So mark it. Question number 9 answer could not be fermentation. The options are also not having with me. So let me check, then I'll confirm you. Question number 9. You also confirm it with question number 9 answer. Okay, student. So if the option is there, that should be the salt solution something. For or pickling we can write it if option is there. Okay, fermentation, since fermentation I don't think means fermentation, if the options are given other option, that fermentation could not be the correct one. So let me see, I'll give you the clarification of question number 9. You also refer the book for the same. Okay, student. Question number 10. Which of the following is fertilizer? Answer is all the 3. So all of these you will write. Urea also, calcium nitrate, potassium chloride, and triammonium phosphorus. Right. So these all are the fertilizers. Question number 4. Which of the following is a semi-synthetic fiber? So both B and C is the answer. Next, paracetamol is used as antipyretics also as well as analgesics also. Right, student? Question number 13. Which of the following type of glass is used in making spectacles and cameras? Answer is photochromatic glass. Which glass? Photochromatic glass. Next, which of the following is a thermosetting plastic? Bakelite is thermosetting plastic. Which of the following is an application of silicon? This answer I have not written. You have to write. By mistake I left it. So you have to find it yourself. Okay, student? Option also I am not having, so I cannot give you the answer of question number 15. You have to write yourself. B, fill in the blanks, because big student, the book I am not having, so this is the same screen I am having the picture of the book also, and answer I am giving. So please refer. It's very simple question. Whatever the option is given, you can find the correct answer from there. Fill in the blanks. Dash are mainly starch of sugar, which are main energy sources of our body. Answer is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are the mainly starch or sugar, which are main energy sources of our body. Next, plastic is a synthetic material made from a wide range of polymers. Next, plaster of Paris is manufactured by heating calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate. Plaster of Paris is manufactured by heating calcium sulfate, dihydrate, that is CSO4, 2H2O to 120 degree Celsius. Right. Next, dash are the substance made with a combination of silicon and other chemical. Answer is silicons. Question number 5. Penicillin is one of the best known antibiotic invented by Alexander Fleming, used to treat bacterial infection. Answer is penicillin. Next, dash coined the term radioactivity. So Marie Curie, a scientist, or you can say chemist also, coined the term radioactive. This is the homework given, question number 7. So please, you have to do it as a homework. Try to find it in the book. You have also to read and you have to go through the every lines of the book, right? That's why for some of the questions I am leaving for you. And this is a revision. So do it very, very nicely. Right. Algerian red is a chemical dyes. Oil soluble paints are mixed with a turpentine while applying. Okay. So next question. Dash glass is made up of glass is made up of silicate. 11. Tincture of iodine is an tincture of iodine is an man-made antiseptic. Next question again, 12. I have given for the homework. Please go through it so that at least you should read the book. Otherwise, what you will be doing, whatever I will be writing, that only you will be learning. I know very well. Okay, student. So, 1 or 2 questions I am leaving to do as a homework. Next, we will be doing true and false. So, C is the true and false. Prafulla Chandra Ray was the founder of Indian first pharmaceuticals company. Answer is true. Yes, Prafulla Chandra is a founder. Minerals are complex organic compound. No, minerals are not complex organic compound. Vitamins are complex organic compound. So answer is false. Chemical dyes are alizarin green and indigo blue. No, we have read in one place more that alizarin red. Chemical dyes are alizarin red, not green. So false. Answer is false. Plaster of Paris is formed by the heating of gypsum. Yes, true. Answer will be true. Antacids are used to neutralize the excess acid produced in the stomach. Right. Antacids, we give the antacids to neutralize, because you know that in the stomach we have the acid. Right. When excess acids are produced for any reason, we give antacids. This is true. Move to the next question. Dmitry Mendeleev came up with the first periodic table of the elements. Answer is true. Dmitry Mendeleev is the chemist who has developed first starting periodic table, right? All chemists discovered hydrogen and oxygen elements. False. All chemists did not discover hydrogen and oxygen. Foaming cosmetics such as shower gel, shampoo have a sodium lauryl sulfate. Yes, true. Answer is true. It contains sodium lauryl sulfate. If you will check the contents of the shampoo or shower gel, you will see that yes, there is a sodium lauryl sulfate. Vinegar is used for Preservation of pickles and sauces. Yes, true. It is used. The next question is you have to give the two examples. So analgesics we have already explained, so I'm not going to details. Otherwise, the video will be very very long. So these are we are doing only the quick revision. Give two example of analgesics. Answer is aspirin, paracetamol. Fertilizer, urea and calcium nitrate. Glass, colored glass, safety glass. Antibiotic, penicillin, streptomycin. Chemical used as a food preservatives, that is benzoic acid and sodium salt. Thermostatic plastic, bakelite and melamine. Thermoplastic, PVC, nylon, Teflon, polythene. Okay, so believe we have to give two. You can choose any two. Otherwise, if you want to write all four, you can write the all four options of thermoplastic. Okay, then this is the homework I have given you. Chapter number 2. Do long question answers in chemistry notebook. Question is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have already explained all these things in videos of chapter 2. So again, I'm not going to write a lengthy answer and then I'm going to click it and I'm going to send it, because you can do it yourself. For understanding purpose also, you should refer the video. Otherwise, it's written in your book also very very simple way. Okay, student, thank you.